What is the Tsar Bomba? Before we start, stay with me until the end of this video because you will see the real footage of the explosion. The Tsar Bomba is the most powerful nuclear weapon ever detonated in human history. It was developed by the Soviet Union and tested on October 30th, 1961. Technical specifications: explosive power, about 50 megatons, around 3,000 times stronger than Hiroshima. Weight, 127 tons. Length, 108 meters. Diameter, 102 meters. Delivery, dropped from a bomber aircraft using a parachute. How does a hydrogen bomb work? A hydrogen bomb works in two stages: nuclear fission, similar to atomic bombs, uranium-plutonium. Nuclear fusion, hydrogen isotopes fuse together, deuterium and tritium, releasing massive energy far greater than fission alone. What happened during the explosion? Test location, Novaya Zemlya, Russia. Fireball, reached about 8 kilometers in diameter. Mushroom cloud, rose up to 60 kilometers high. Shockwave, broke windows up to 900 kilometers away. Flash, visible from over 1,000 kilometers. Environmental and human impact, designed to reduce radioactive fallout compared to other bombs. However, it could completely destroy a large city, cause massive fires, generate deadly shockwaves over vast distances. Why was it built? To demonstrate Soviet power during the Cold War against the United States. It was more of a political message than a practical weapon. Here is a scene from the explosion of the Tsar Bomba. These are other scenes of nuclear bomb explosions around the world.